Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. If you hear some background noise, that is our lawn and backyard being cut. I'm sorry about it, but this video have to go on. So this morning I woke up to this video of a retired cop going viral, and we're gonna talk about it because it's very important. A video of former deputy superintendent of police being pepper sprayed by a constable during a traffic stop has been racking up views on social media. Former deputy superintendent Albertmar Paro Campbell was pulled over in a routine traffic stop in the corporate area after he reportedly overtook a line of traffic. After being questioned by a policeman, Campbell informed the cop that he was not in possession of his driver's license. The cop ordered Campbell to step out of his vehicle, and Campbell refused, all while asking the cop if he could be arrested for not being in possession of a license. Campbell was able to leave his vehicle but retreated after noticing that the policeman had armed himself with a pepper spray canister. As Campbell attempted to wind up his car window, however, the seemingly overzealous cop pointed the canister in the retired lawman's direction and sprayed him in his eyes. The former senior cop, who was a 40-year-old veteran of the force, then fully rolled up his window and instructed his son, who was in the passenger seat of the vehicle, to do the same while dousing a rag with water and wiping his eyes.
Wait. You can't spray all money in your eye. Are you supposed to spray up our old man in his eyes? That's my father. What kind of example him setting? And he catch me in my eye too.
What really happened? Why this?
He's trying to explain to him, he's talking to him, and the policeman is being very ignorant with him. And he sprayed it in his eye, directly in his eye. How are you supposed to spray? No, he did not. He overtook a set of vehicles, and the police overtook. Walk along, children, walk along. He told him to pull over. He pulled over. He was explaining that how much vehicles he overtook, and he was saying no. And the police officer told him to exit the vehicle, and he's saying hold on, we're trying to explain, and he sprayed him directly in the eye. Now that's a violation. For no reason. He didn't show any aggressive force or anything. I have a video.
His clearly irritated eyes. After a few minutes, a police service vehicle occupied by a senior cop who knew Campbell arrived, and it was then that Campbell exited the vehicle. So the social media realm have been 50-50. 50% of people just think that he deserved to get pepper sprayed because he had an attitude and he wouldn't comply with the officer's directions. And I get all of that, but this has been an ongoing issue with Jamaica Constabulary Force. Policemen and women being overzealous and doing way too much. When you're a police officer, you have to deal with people refusing to do what you say, and you have to deal with people giving you attitude. That comes with the territory. Who in the world likes to be stopped by a police officer? No one. Whether you're a former police officer or a regular civilian citizen, no one likes getting stopped or pulled over by a police officer. Next thing, I realize that a lot of Jamaicans, whether overseas and in Jamaica, do not know their rights. In Jamaica, you have 24 hours to show your driver's license. If you got pulled over and you didn't have it, you forget it or something. So if you forget your driver's license or something, you have 24 hours that you have to bring your driver's license and show it to the police officers or to a station. That is your right. You cannot get arrested for driving without a license in Jamaica, and that may be backwards, but that is the law. And another thing, the reason why the former superintendent refused to come out of his vehicle is because this man already armed himself with pepper spray. Are you going to actually walk into somebody that wants to pepper spray you? Hell no, you're not going to do it. To all the people online that think that he wasn't complying with officer walk into being pepper sprayed, no one is going to walk into someone that's going to pepper spray them. Please, miss me with the BS. Thank you very much. And another thing, he used to be in the force. He knew exactly why he was not coming out that vehicle. He didn't want the situation to escalate and definitely didn't want that officer to shoot him or plant something on him, because Jamaican officers are corrupt. Okay, we have a lot of good apples, but the bad apples outweigh the good, and that is a fact. And a whole probe have been launched into it. Honestly, that officer needs to get suspended. He needs to get some type of punishment, because you cannot deal with people like that. I'm not even talking about dealing with a superintendent like that. You can't deal with regular civilians like that. It's not okay. And that is an issue we have with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and why Jamaican citizens don't trust them. And that's just the God-given truth. They're overzealous. They love to exert their authority even when it's not needed or necessary, and they just do too much, and they can't be trusted because they're so corrupt. And I'm sorry to say, a lot of people like to live in the dark and act like there's no corruption in Jamaica, but there is a lot. Even your own prime minister have to talk about how the police are linking to Dons and Badman and how they're corrupt. Look at the other day with the whole road cop situation. Like, are you serious? You did not come out of your vehicle with some police officer that's overzealous, the one pepper spray you, or may even kill you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what your thoughts are on this story right here, and I'll interact with you in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
I don't have any with me.
If you don't have any, I'm going to arrest you, sir.
Well, arrest me then.
Step on the vehicle, please.
Do what?
Step on the vehicle, sir.
Why?
So, man.
If you arrest me?
Yes, sir.
No, you don't arrest me.
Sir?
Oh, you going to arrest me?
I'm going to ask you to step on the vehicle.
You going to handcuff me?
Sir? I'm going to ask you to step on the vehicle.
Officer?
Sir, I'm giving you a lawful directive.
No, you can't give me no lawful directive. To tell me so you don't arrest me, you can't me now my driver's license.
Step from the vehicle.
Officer?
This is a final warning I get.
No, this is not a warning. Don't tell me that you're going to warn. It's a tear gas me, you know.
Step from the vehicle.
No, it's a tear gas me gun. If you tear gas me.
Step from the vehicle, sir.
You're going to tear gas me.
Step from the vehicle, sir. Step from the vehicle. Step from the vehicle.
What are you doing to my phone, bro?
Sir, step from the vehicle. Step from the vehicle, sir.
Lot of logs. Lot of logs. Are you okay? Are you okay? Turn up or off. Up. Are you okay? Yeah. Where's your phone? I want to call. Can I call somebody like Martin or somebody? No? Don't call none of them? You sure? You sure I mustn't call any of them? No, wait. You can't spray all money in your eye. Oh, you supposed to spray up an old man in his eyes? That's my father. What kind of example him setting? And he catch me in my eye too.
What really happened? Why this?
He's trying to explain to him, he's talking to him, and the policeman is being very ignorant with him. And he sprayed it in his eye, directly in his eye. How you supposed to spray? No, he did not. He overtook a set of vehicles, and the police overtook. Walk along, children, walk along. He told him to pull over. He pulled over. He was explaining that how much vehicles he overtook, and he was saying no. And the police officer told him to exit the vehicle. And he's saying, hold on, we're trying to explain, and he sprayed him directly in the eye. Now that's a violation. For no reason. He didn't show any aggressive force or anything. I have a video. You okay?
Police, alright, since the situation, Mr. Aggravated, no, I don't know. Traffic said it.
That one. And I don't begin, you know? Are you okay now?
Get some water.
Yeah, they have any water?
Why don't
I would like to restrain him and not let him spray anything else in my father's eye, please. I don't trust him. Why on the window? No. He says no. 40 years and all this. Can you believe it? Walk along, please. Can you let them walk along, please? Do you have any water? Huh? Do you have any water? Here, that one. Life is full of terrible things that you all the time. After 40 years of service, you got a tree.
Turn it.
It's on it. After 40 years of service. I'm going to call him like that. Can I?
No, man, no.
You sure? I don't trust him now. More water? Can you see? Can you open your eye? Are you okay? How are you going to deal with the situation? More water? Why they turn one something into this though? Look here. Who is this man? Is it look in the brown suit? Open your eyes for a second. Look to your side. In the brown suit. You seen anyone around suits?
Water? Hold on, what's up?
They spray him in his eyes. You need to fire them or something.
Young boy, still have it.